Okay, today I want to show you my experimental idea about how to make a compressed air spray which you can refill later. I found this empty bottle of WD-40 spray, and it has all this nozzle and all that. And what I did is I just drill a hole and attach this tire nozzle. This is called a tubeless tire nozzle, and it can be bought for like $0.5 or so. So what I did is I just drill a hole here and I attached it. So what I will do is I will just fill it with the pressurized air and at 30 psi, and it will become a compressed air spray bottle. So thank you for watching.